Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Utah. About almost 60 degrees so far, and it's only 11 o'clock. I'm headed over to Tunex to finish up the blasting that I didn't finish on Friday. We'll get that blasting done, and then we'll head over to the hangar. All right, I'm finally done with the sandblasting. I still going to have to do some touch-ups. You may have seen in the video where it was really hard to see through the film. Sandblasters generally have a glass plate, and then they put a plastic film under it so that the glass doesn't get damaged. Well, that film had been in there for a while, and it was pretty hard to see through. But that's the last of the parts I can sandblast. So I'll get back over to the hangar, and we'll see what the next step is. All right, I just rolled into the high maintenance hangar. Going to get these parts unloaded and do whatever else is necessary to get them cleaned up before paint. I want to give a big shout out to Tunex there in Springville, Utah. They just did us a real solid by letting me use their sandblaster to get these parts cleaned up. Wasn't quite sure how I was going to do it, but they're done now. I think I've got the main cylinders yet to go. We'll see what that's going to entail, and we'll get there I'll show you when we get there. Well, I've been outside wire brushing parts, and I came in to take a little break. I came in, and fabricator Jan, he's at it again. Stand by. So Jan, what are you up to now?
So what we're doing today is we're making a side panel for left side of the airplane next to the pilot. Got to cover that up, but I thought in the meantime I'll just give him a pocket to put stuff into. So I'm fabricating a panel with a pocket. Started out with my paper pattern, converted it to metal sides.
And so you're closing in on getting the project all up today?
So now I'm closing in on getting the rest of this so I can get some bends in there, rivet the whole thing up, put it in the airplane.
Okay. Personally, I think he gets bored and just has to find something else to make. Anyway, I'll get back to work and touch back with you in a bit. So we just made a kind of a cool discovery. Hold on. We just saw all of this assembly drawing on here. Man, it's way too bad. It's not in better shape. Hold on, and I'll get this. Wow. And I'm taking this video just for posterity. Now it's got closed height and looks like closed height again. Stud and nut. Bracket link. I sure hope we can see this video afterwards. Well, there's some more if we can go over one more. There. And I'll just scan this. Man, just a plethora of information there that we can't really read. All right. Well, I got the other one pretty well cleaned up, and I was going to work on this one and found all of that. And there's also a whole line of inch markings. Now, I found this on the other one, but it certainly wasn't on this one. So, yeah, I got that tag. I got that on the other thing. So, where am I at right there? Anyway, we'll get this cleaned up and go from there. So you may remember my outing to Wichita, Kansas with Lee Aerospace. Well, let's see what these folks can do for us. Unfortunately, I dropped off the window, and the people that I dropped it off to weren't comfortable with me doing any filming to search out Lee Aerospace. Well, it has come to fruition. Hold on just a minute. We got some worker bees here. They're getting ready to polish our windows that we have. And we've got them set up here. And pardon me, I forgot my mic again, but these guys are going to make short work of these windows. They've given me all kinds of guarantees that these are going to be outstanding. And this guy here, this is Gary Neiman. He's the ringleader of this posse. We've got Damon.
Mark, I was told I was the ringleader, but
you can be the ringleader.
So we're pretty excited to have them here. This is awesome. I'll share with you what they'll allow me to show you, but by the end of the day, maybe we're going to have some windows we can install in the airplane. So stand by. So Gary and Damon are getting ready to polish this, and you've gone through the school of hard knocks, haven't you, Gary?
yes, sir. Spent many a nights in my early career trying to fix uh-oh moments.
Well, we'll see what this looks like. So do you have a certain wiping pattern that you do on these, or is that you call your own, or you just back and forth, or what do you do?
Actually, we like to go up and down, so if you're sitting in the seat, you go up and down instead of side to side a lot. That way you don't have a choppiness in the vision.
Oh, okay.
But on these, you do change up, like the polishing, we go side to side, then you do change it up a little bit.
So would you finish vertically on this particular panel here?
Yeah, we'll finish vertically.
Which is the short side?
Yes. And we overlap about half every pattern gets overlapped about half.
Okay, we'll see what this looks like when it gets done. It's already looking 1,000% better, but they're not satisfied yet.
That's what I'm talking about.
The water's to keep it cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know how well this is going to turn out, but look at that shine.
I think everything you see now is on the inside. You want to double check that.
These guys are Mr. Scott from Star Trek, the Miracle Workers.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just gorgeous. All right, these guys are working on the easy windows. Now they got to start working on the hard ones. Wow. That's obscene.
Yeah, we still have the inner yet to do, so it'll get better.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, but see,
Well, the good news is the guys are making progress. Those look absolutely stunning. And they're over there working on 2 more. The bad news is we got 2 windows that got to go get fixed. Stand by. I don't know how well you can see this, but right here and right here is cracked. Also, this has a piece broken out of it. And this one here, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but right here, there's a bunch of spider cracks and it goes clear over in here. So Gary, in his infinite generosity, said, send these to Wichita. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll be waiting a while on these, but the work they're doing is exemplary. Well, it's been a long day for these guys. I've just been watching. It's been great, but they have done absolutely a superb job on these windows. They got 4 of the 8. They're going to help us out with the other one can be repaired. And we just want to thank Gary and Mark and Damon for all of the work they've done today. It's been exemplary. Jan, you got any?
I'm telling you, we really appreciate you guys coming down and showing us how this is done and doing it. And it is truly amazing. What you guys have done here is mind blowing.
Yeah. So
Excellent work, guys.
Well, thank you, and we appreciate you letting us be a part of this project. It's definitely a labor of love, and it definitely shows.
well, thank you.
Congratulations to you guys.
No, thank you.
Well, so anyway, want to say thanks to all our viewers for tuning in and watching our videos on Sundays. If you haven't already, I really appreciate it that you'd subscribe, leave a comment, share out our videos, and give us a like. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.